Good morning, students of class 7. This time is for our mathematics class. Students, today we will discuss a new chapter. The chapter name is Unitary Method. Chapter number 9. We have finished the chapter Ratio and Proportion from chapter number 8. Hope that everybody understood the previous chapter. Now, let's come to the point here. Unitary method. What is unitary method? Students, actually, this is a method, this is a method in which the value of unit quantity is first obtained. This one first. A method in which the value of unit quantity is first obtained. Okay, this one first. A method in which the value of unit quantity is first obtained, and after getting the result, this is to find the value of any required quantity. So a method in which the value of unit quantity is first obtained to find the value of any required quantity is called unitary method. Okay. For an example, I will give you, then just you will understood the definition. Students, suppose that the cost of 5 pence, suppose given that 10 rupees. Okay, so what will be the cost of 20 pence? So for that case, first of all, you have to find out the cost of 1 pen. Okay, first off, you have to find out the cost of 1 pen, and whatever you will get the value of 1 pen, then very easily you can find out the cost of 20 pence. For that case, you have to be write like this: the cost of 5 pence is rupees 10. Therefore, the cost of 1 pen, it will be 10 by 5, because less quantity of pen, the cost also will be less. That means 10 by 5, that means 2 rupees. Therefore, the cost of 1 pen, that means unit value of 1 pen is equal to 2 rupees. So the cost of, therefore, 20 pence equal to 2 into 20. That means more pence equal to the value also more. So 20 into 2, that means 40 rupees. Okay. So that's why here the question, here the definition tells. Hope that you have understood. In a solving problem of unitary method, we come across two types of variations. One is direct variation, or also say that direct proportion, and next one is called inverse variation, or we can say that inverse proportion. Clear, students? Here the case of direct proportion, first one, case of direct proportion tells here two quantities A and B are said to be direct proportion if the ratio A by B remains constant. So if the question will come that in the exam, what is direct variation, then you can write that two quantities A and B are said to be direct variations if the ratio A by B remains constant. Then also in the type of question like will be come that in the if A and B, two quantities such that A by B is remain constant, then what type of variation indicate or represent? And you will have to say that this is direct variation represent. Okay, so when A by B will be constant, that means the value of A by B will be constant, then direct variations will be occurred, or direct proportion also will be occurred, because direct variation and direct proportion both are the same type of things. Okay, No, next, come to the next point here. The cost of articles varies directly as the number of articles. When the cost of articles varies directly as the number of articles, on that case here direct proportion will be occurred. That means there more articles will be more cost, less articles will be also less cost. Another one, the work done varies directly as the number of men at work. That means more men at work, work will be more work, less men at work, less work will be happen. Okay. So here examples are given, lot of examples. You must follow this example carefully and truly so that you can understand properly. Okay. A lot of examples are given. And also you know that in the previous class, in class 5, I think you have done in unitary method. So hope you can do. Now come to the example, come to the exercise 9a. Your first question now. Number 1, if 15 oranges cost rupees 110, then what do 39 oranges cost? So very simple. So for that case, I am now going to show. Look at first of all, before I go, I will show. Look at here the articles 15 oranges and 39 oranges. That means two are the same type of unit. So here the same type of unit you have to be keep in the left side, and whatever you have to find out here, the cost you have to find out this one cost. That means they have this cost you have to be keep in the right hand side. Okay. So here 15 oranges cost 110. So what is the cost of 39 oranges? So let's see. You write number 1. So that you write 15 oranges cost equal to rupees 110. Okay. So students, since this is a unitary method, therefore you have to find out unit value. So 1 orange cost will be, that means 15 is bigger number, 1 is the smaller number. So when small quantity is there, so also amount also will be small. That means less orange, less cost. Okay, less orange, less cost. That means it will be divide 110 by 15. This one. Okay. Right here rupees. Clear? So the cost of 1 orange is this one. So therefore students, you have to find out 39 oranges. So therefore cost of 39 oranges cost equal to, look at in the first one here 1 orange cost is 110 by 15. So 39 is much more bigger than 1. So more orange cost also will be more. So here it will be multiplication. Okay. So that means 110 by 15, then multiply by 39. Okay. Simplify. So 3 5s are 15, and here 3 13s are 39. Now 5 cancel with 110, it will be 22. So now multiply 22 with 13. What you will get? So students, you will get 286. So hence the cost of 39 oranges is rupees 286. So in such a way you have to be solved the question answer of the exercise 9A. Okay, hope that everybody understood the matter. Students, here come to the next question, question number 2. Here also the same type of question. If 8 kg sugar cost rupees 260, so how much sugar can be bought for rupees 877.50? So students, you can see here that here the 2 unit rupees are given, rupees 260 and rupees 877.50. So 2 units are same. That means these 2 units you have to be keep in the left hand side, and whatever you have to find out, this is you have to keep in the right hand side. Okay, 8 kg will be in the right hand side. So you can write like that. With the cost of rupees 260, we can get 8 kg sugar. With the cost of rupees 260, we can get 8 kg sugar. Therefore, with the cost of 1 rupees, we can get less sugar. That means it will be 8 by 260. The third line you will write. Therefore, with the cost of rupees 877.50, we can get 8 by 260 into 877.50. Just simplify by calculation, you will get the required answer. Okay. Next question number 3. The cost of 37 meter of silk is rupees 6,290 rupees. What length of the silk can be purchased for rupees 4,420? So these questions are the same as question number 2. Here two times the rupees, the same unit are given, and another unit, only one unit, that means 37 meter. This is different type of unit is given. So you have to be starting like that. The same unit you have to be keep in the left hand side, and different unit, that means which is alone 37 meter, you have to keep in the right hand side. Okay, so you have to write like that. With the rupees 6,290, we can get 37 meter of silk. So with the cost of 1 rupees, we can get 37 by 6290 meter milk. Therefore, with the cost of 4,420 rupees, we can get 37 by 6,290 into 4,420. Just calculate it, you will get the required answer. In such a way, you have to be solved. Question number 4 also the same. A worker is paid rupees 1,110 for 6 days. If his total wages during the month are rupees 4,625, for how many days did he work? So that means you have to find out the days, time. So the time you have to be keep in the right hand side, and both the same unit, that means rupees, you have to be keep in the left hand side. So starting like that. So 1,110 rupees is to be paid for 6 days working. Okay, 1,110 rupees is to paid for 6 days working. So 1 rupees for paid, 6 by 1,110. So therefore 4,625 rupees paid for 6 by 1,110 into 4,625. Just calculate it, you will get the required answer. Number 5. A car can cover a distance of 357 km on 42 liters of petrol. How far can it travel on 12 liters of petrol? Look at both the liters are same, 42 liters and 12 liters. So these two items keep in the left hand side, and the distance 357 km, you have to only one type of different unit. That's why it is keep in the right hand side. So you have to be write like that. In 42 liters of petrol, a car can cover 357 km. Okay. 1 liter of petrol, a car can cover 357 by 42 km. So with the 12 liters of petrol, a car can cover 357 by 42 into 12. Okay, so in this way you have to be solved, friends, today. And 6 also you have to be solved yourself. So question number 1 to 6 you have to be solved yourself for today's homework. Okay, question number 1 to 6. So that's all for today. Thank you.